Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I get the Nun Valak demon look right here. So basically I'm starting off with some contact lenses. Over here I'm using the white contact lenses. You can use yellow as well for the effect. So yeah, now that my contact lenses are nice and in, I'm gonna go flatten my eyebrows. For that I'm using this glue stick and I'm just flattening my eyebrows. This glue stick is pretty nice. It's easily washable and does not harm my natural brows. So now for the main part, I'm going in with some face paint, and with the color white, I'm just slathering this all over my face and blending this first with a beauty blender. But as I was blending this out, I felt like the beauty blender was taking off some coverage. So I went in with some, with a face brush. And now that I've got good coverage, I'm patting everything in with some nice translucent powder. Then I'm going in with this black face paint and I'm just placing it on my eyes and on the lips. As you can see, I'm being very rough. I'm not being neat at all, and I'm just smoking everything out using a fluffy brush to do all of this. Doing the same with my lips as well. As you can see, I'm concentrating most of the color at the center of the eyes or the lips, and then with a fluffy brush I'm just blending all of it out. Also gonna tight line my eyes because I don't want any flesh color to be seen. Also going in with some mascara. This is not so that I have nice fluffy eyelashes, it's just so that I don't want any white color to be peeking out. Now taking a smaller brush and just giving myself a little wrinkles. So basically, as you can see, for details, I've gone in with a tinier brush, and to blend things out, I'm using a fluffier brush. So yeah, as you can see, I'm making a lot of faces, but this is so that I can get nice, like naturally laid in wrinkles so that it looks very natural. Now again with this really weird nose contour, I'm using a fluffy brush with some black eyeshadow or the residue of the face paint. So to look like her, basically we want this look of an old, creepy, haggard woman. That's why you can see like I'm scrunching up my eyes so that I can see where my wrinkles lay naturally. So that's why I'm using a detail brush in order to just draw a couple of wrinkles. Now using a fluffier brush, and I'm just blending over certain places where I feel like it has to look dirty. So I'm just going over my face, like under the eyes, on the chin. I'm trying to get like a very dirty, old, haggard vibe. Now because she's old and she has a very skinny face, I'm contouring my cheekbones and I'm blending that in with a fluffy brush, trying to get really slim cheekbones because she is very skinny. Now if you feel like I've gone in with my base blending brush again, that's because if you feel like you've got like a very harsh line that you've drawn and it's not blending through, go in with your base foundation brush and blend it in. That will help the blending process even more since it already has the base color in it. Now, keeping in mind of my costume, since my costume is going to be laying on my forehead, I am I'm contouring my forehead basically because that's where my costume is going to be placed. Also, my costume is a DIY costume made up of couple t-shirts. So yeah, just giving myself a narrow chin as well. This look is all about blending. It has like really few products, like you don't even need a lot of products. Over here I have used face paint, But if you don't have a face paint, you can definitely go in with like a white foundation, or like a gel eyeliner, or like a black eyeshadow. Do what works for you. As you can see, I'm doing a lot of blending, and I'm not adding more product. I'm just blending with whatever product that has on the brush. And I'm just continuing to give like a nice blended finish. Now to highlight my face, I'm going in with that same white paint, and I'm just highlighting, like, my nose, because I want it to look slim and skinny, just like how she has it. Now moving on to the more detailed parts of the video, I wanted to give her veins because it looks more creepy. So I took a small tiny brush and I started drawing in some veins with a very light hand. Gave her little smile lines as well. And remember, if you go in with a heavy hand, you have your base blending brush. So just go over with that and the harshness should go away. Also be careful while doing the veins. Don't go in with a very heavy hand. It will be too harsh otherwise. Yeah, so just doing some random veins here and there. Now that I'm happy, this is my final look. So yeah, if you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye bye.